Have you ever found yourself staring at a stock chart, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data it presents? The key to unlocking this information lies in the art of analysis, where numbers morph into insights. With the CAN-SLIM method, you don't just see prices. You understand trends, recognizing the market's pulse through the rhythms of its movements. For instance, as you evaluate a stock's performance data, consider not just its financials but the story behind them, the innovative strategies that drive growth, or the market dynamics that shape its future trajectory. This deeper understanding transforms your perspective from passive observer to proactive participant. As you immerse yourself in the principles of CAN-SLIM, you'll discover how to differentiate between noise and genuine opportunity. Start by honing in on stocks showcasing explosive earnings growth. These are the companies that have the potential to redefine their industries. Pay attention to those whose quarterly results consistently exceed expectations, as strong current earnings are the cornerstone of a robust investment. When you recognize these companies, you position yourself to reap the rewards that come from being part of their journey. In addition to strong earnings, look for companies displaying impressive annual earnings growth, ideally at least 25% year-over-year. These firms are typically laying a stable foundation for sustained success, attracting both investor interest and institutional support. As you dig deeper, observe the leadership teams, dynamic executives who demonstrate vision and adaptability are assets to a company. By focusing on stocks that have not only solid financials but also exceptional leadership, you further refine your investment criteria. Additionally, keep an eye out for transformative products or groundbreaking innovations that create market buzz. Such factors often signify momentum that can propel stock prices upward. With this thorough approach grounded in CAN-SLIM, you ensure your investments aren't merely short-lived gains but steps towards long-term financial prosperity. Moreover, actively engaging with supply and demand dynamics will sharpen your insight into price movements, equipping you to make timely investment decisions. As you embark on your investment journey, it's crucial to leverage the lessons from growth companies that have made significant strides. Take the time to dissect their success stories, understanding how they capitalized on unique market conditions to flourish. For instance, examine how certain firms innovated in response to consumer needs, effectively capturing market share while establishing themselves as industry leaders. By critically analyzing these success narratives, you not only deepen your understanding of the market but also identify characteristics that signal strong investment opportunities. This analytical lens allows you to maintain focus on quality rather than simply chasing trends, ensuring a disciplined approach to wealth building. As you refine your investment acumen, remain vigilant about the external factors influencing stock performance. While focusing on industry movements, don't overlook the importance of timing as a critical aspect of the CAN-SLIM method. Understanding whether you're entering during an uptrend or downtrend can significantly alter the results of your investing strategy. Utilize charts to identify patterns, noting critical breakouts that suggest potential growth opportunities. For example, stock prices often react to earnings announcements or new product launches, so being aware of these moments can allow you to position yourself strategically within the market. This also entails keeping abreast of economic currents, as larger financial shifts can impact individual stocks in varied ways. Each market cycle brings its own rhythm, and adjusting your approach to reflect these changes can be the difference between success and loss. Embrace the learning process, accept setbacks as part of your journey, and remain committed to your investment strategy amidst the noise. With grit and a well-honed strategy, you will cultivate confidence and acumen in your investment ventures, enhancing your ability to navigate complex market landscapes. As you continue to integrate the CAN-SLIM principles into your investing strategy, revisit the importance of thorough research. Dive into company earnings reports, deciphering the nuances of financial metrics and ratios that reveal the true potential of each stock. Look closely at the balance sheets to assess the health of a company's assets versus liabilities. Understanding this financial foundation will help you gauge the risks involved and whether the company is well positioned for future growth. Engaging with expert analyses and market commentary can also provide varied perspectives, enriching your investment narrative and helping you to remain adaptable. Seek to surround yourself with information that enhances your decision-making process, ensuring a holistic understanding of the market landscape. Recognize that not all stocks are created equal. Some will resonate with your investment philosophy more than others, and that's perfectly acceptable. Therefore, trust your instincts combined with analytical insights when filtering through potential stocks. As you build competence with the CAN SLIM methodology, make it a habit to revisit your investments regularly. This practice will ensure you remain attuned to any shifts in an individual stock's performance or market conditions. Over time, you will develop an intuition that allows you not only to invest wisely, but also to enhance your adaptability in an evolving financial landscape. Your growth as an investor will be marked by an ever-deepening understanding of how to align your strategy with the rhythms of the market. As you implement the CAN SLIM approach, remember to continually assess each component of your strategy. Each stock, for instance, should not only meet your financial criteria but also resonate with your overall market understanding. This comprehensive evaluation is where successful investing begins, emphasizing a proactive mindset rather than a reactive one. With each analysis, you'll refine your skills, developing a keen ability to spot trends and anticipate market shifts. Regularly revisiting your strategy allows you to remain agile, making informed adjustments that align with your evolving investment goals. By holding firm to these principles, you can embark on a journey that will not only elevate your portfolio, but also empower you as a savvy, knowledgeable investor poised for sustainable success. As you cultivate your understanding of the market, don't forget to incorporate the element of risk management into your CAN SLIM approach. It's not enough to identify promising stocks. You must also know how to protect your investments. Set stop-loss orders to limit your losses and ensure that you're prepared to exit a position when necessary. This level of discipline will serve you well, as it helps maintain your emotional composure during turbulent times. Keep in mind that investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and with careful planning and strategic execution, your financial aspirations will come closer to fruition. Most importantly, remember that every experienced investor started where you are now, by learning, adapting, and embracing the wealth of knowledge available to them. Are you ready to take the next step in your investing journey? Now is the time to incorporate the CAN SLIM criteria into your analysis, enabling you to identify potential winners effectively. Focus on stocks that demonstrate both strong earnings growth and innovative leadership, using these factors to guide your investment choices. By embracing the CAN SLIM strategy, you are not merely engaging with stocks, you are constructing a resilient foundation for your financial future. With each informed decision, you enhance your ability to navigate market complexities and emerge as a more knowledgeable investor. Remember, true success is a result of disciplined learning and consistent application of principles.